Let's test. Good. Alright, back to guitar mode. What to work on today? What to do?
Yeah. Yeah.
Superman, what's cracking? What is cracking? Indeed. I don't know, maybe for now I'll do a quick sound effect when a robot detects me. Yeah. Alert it. I added this at some point. Didn't use it much. Let's see. Normalize these sound files. Boom. Okay. Okay. Robot alert, right? Oh. Not available there. Interesting. Well, this one is kind of... There's no fall off at all, huh? Okay. It's good. Hmm. Where was this audio damned response? It kind of becomes like a generic audio component at this point. Rename it to audio response. Okay. Okay. Hmm. When does a robot know? What does it know? Eyes. Quest state blank. The hell, dude? Visual Studio. Player sighted. What's up? What have I missed? Not much. Not a whole lot. I did tinker with some physics for a little while. My own custom physics. That's about it. That's about it. But the new physics engine is going to be a side project that I work on once in a while. But this is the new physics engine. It can definitely handle some number of objects. I made it run okay. At least for simple shapes. Dude. 1 or 2 months ago. Indeed. So this is all physics engine I built using a lot of help from AI for math. A lot of help. But it's not ready for my game yet. but in the future. Yeah, these guys don't respond to the camera. Dude, I've lost the mouse again. Fine. No, you're just not gonna give me a mouse. There you go. Mouse is back. Mouse is back. Now, this guys, I want him to make a sound when they hear me. Wait, this game is too quiet.
Hi. Hi. Hello. Hello. Okay. Hello.
Am I just not hearing because of music or what? Capture card is pretty much maxed. Okay. At least I can hear this well enough now. There you go. Mute the music a little bit. And one of the things that did change is that I have a new backend for audio. Sort of fancy wise from Audio Kinetic. I'm just using X Audio 2 straight up. Of my own sound editor and Blackjack. Okay. So now, well, so robots now actually have a range check, a vision check. Okay. First side, go into chasing. This would be a good moment to do the sound thing. If I had it. Audio damage response may not even be here. Too far back. Or response. I don't want to handle this. Each robot does have an audio playback, right? It does. It certainly does. Just keep stacking. I'm going to make 0 be. Yeah, should be enough. Right, Mr. Roboto. Oh. This thing needs to be fine. Let's go sort. Sort everything. Oh boy. There's a bunch of file changes. A bunch. Okay, alerted sound. Alerted. Man, those explosion of components, I'm gonna have to do some maybe even color coding for different groups. Do that first. Okay. Roblox. Indeed. What do you see, Roblox? Oh, okay. And he actually tracks the last known position of the player. And after that, he just kind of tries to go look around. Oh, damn. It's been discovered. See if I can hide away. Oh, how did he spot me? I wasn't even... That looks like a bug. I wasn't even looking in that direction. Let's see what he can. Okay. What about getting damaged or something? Pain. Robot hear the footsteps? No, not so far. Right now, just pure vision. You just pure vision for that cone. Oh, And then I do some... but I was thinking about audio, it's possible. Like if you break a wall or something, then maybe. Maybe. But if this... now is almost a reason to have a feature where you do extra damage if you shoot robot in the back. Like double damage, triple damage, something crazy. Oh, I didn't do that sound. It's 227. Okay, next is... I want to do footsteps of the robot. I don't really have an amazing system for footsteps right now, so it's not the greatest. Not the greatest. I need to really do footsteps. I would need to build out an animation editor where I can scrub through the animation point and then click on the footstep locations, which I can do. Just so much effort. So much effort. On the other hand, if I'm not particularly feeling like working on gameplay, maybe doing animation is fine. But just for footsteps, For now, let's do... what? Why isn't it... hey, this one lost the border. Excuse me. New level button, yes. Yeah. Something like that. I'm particularly fond of this sound, to be honest. Oh, he just completely ignored me that time. Oh, when he doesn't see me, he just goes to 000. It's fine. It's fine. This. Is this one just not playing for some reason? No, it's playing it. How many graphics pipelines does the game have? I don't know, maybe a dozen. Maybe slightly less than the ray tracing path. Non-ray tracing does add a few more, a handful more, but maybe a dozen. It's not much. I have maybe 40 shaders at the most. I don't have much going on. Not a whole lot. So this was created. Position is valid. Our position seems fine. Oh, it is a little weird. Is that robot really at 10 something? I guess it was. It's already reference of 6. Why didn't it display then? At hundreds? I mean, yeah, most modern games they definitely do. because they love to have separate shaders for everything. But that comes with a cost. My approach so far is to have uber shaders. Shaders that do a ton of stuff all the time. For example, here's one of my largest shaders with some 500 lines. This is UI shader. So this one does all kinds of... What are you complaining? Interesting. This is a bunch of use statements and toggles and whatnot. That's my approach. But usually you would break up each of those ifs into a separate type of pipeline, because different shader requires different pipeline, and that's how you explode into variations, all that. In my case, I just do a bunch of ifs and not care. Let's see. That is a lot of sounds. Way more than it should ever be. Voice ID is not set, so whatever this is. All that was that. Okay. So we're going full. Oh yeah. It'll be happening every tick. I need something here. Okay. To get that started. But yeah, graphics pipeline is primarily explosion of permutations of shaders, because trying to avoid branching in the shaders, which makes sense, but comes with other costs. Why audio ads? Okay, now this time there's only one, but voice ID is 0. -1, it's not good. That is not good. No, something... Oh, voice ID. Play on start. Oh, did I break play on start? Did I break play on start? I might have. No, it just didn't do a thing. It's set to true. Was I missing something? No? Not missing anything. Try it again. This one is here. Plant start is here. Hard reload. Go, 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 go. Okay. It says that it hasn't played. Yeah, it was just a bug. Okay. There's the bug. Oh. Why is it here? That does not belong here. To use one buffer for all the meshes too? For non-ray tracing path, yes. For ray tracing path, no. I use separate ones. Although maybe it makes... I could rework that to use one. How's guys? Let's give them alert sound. Dies.
Hi.
I didn't hear anything. Okay. That's something. That's something. Let's see, do I have anything good for this? That is a question. This might work for this. Like a little laser pistol. I see. I see. Yeah. It's more like an actual gun, I guess. Special. What is this? A grenade. Rocket launcher. Torpedo. Okay. Okay. Hmm. It doesn't have too much of a metallic to it, to be honest. Dude. Oh, yeah, I remember this guy. This attack having issues. Hey, what's up, Control? Welcome back. Been a while indeed. Been a while. Behold the fancy hexalites. Today's edition. It's actually missing a few notes. I'll get more tomorrow. To finish spelling out big ass. Got a C-book, nice.
Hi.
What did you say, hi?
Okay.
Did I mess something up? It's weird. In Q kicking a chest. Interesting. Kicking a chest. Heroin kick.
Yeah.
That was a weird bug. What are you going to do with C? Best way to learn a language is just to do something with it right away. No matter how simple. Since it's all practical knowledge. Meanwhile, the sound effects of 3D. So left, right. Right closer, right away. Left close. C99, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
I mean, it probably doesn't matter too much, I guess.
Hi.
Code. Honestly, I never had the patience to follow the code of books. I would just immediately go into exactly what I want. For example, Vulkan, I just followed how to draw a basic triangle. And after that, immediately I just ignored anything else. It was like, no, next thing I need is model integration, BX loading, whatever, to start working on that. So I would say avoid burning out by forcing yourself to do a bunch of crap that you don't actually need to do. You might be just being used to colleges and schools where you just learn on a bunch of nonsense and crap all the time, so you're just used to learning boring crap. But that's not the way it should be done at all. Respect your emotions, man. If you find that crap boring, just find a different way. So I need a decent sounds. Let's see. Was it pain? It's like a metallic piggy. It's kind of funny. Maybe. Maybe. Might as well stick up on that audio. Bum 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 bum. But you're trying not to follow the books too much. It's kind of a pain. Reservation fee in a computer science company. Take care, man. Take care. Funny sounds indeed. Like I'm trying not to make it like friendly slop of a game, but it just comes out that way. So far. I mean, I could try. Could try. Maybe I can synthesize something myself. If it's any good. What are you doing? Range. It sounds like with paper defense or something in college. Yep. Take cares. Take cares. Europeans going off to sleep. Download folder, mount data. Wow, I've seen that before. Excuse me. When do I get those files? Okay. Hubba. Let's dump it somewhere here. Robot damaged. Robot click. Sure. I'll take that. Take it. And zap. Okay. Okay. Excuse me. Oh, save. Okay. Yes. Okay. Oh, bro. Why do you do that every time? Okay. That would require more work than I thought. Hmm. So many people hating on CMake, and here I am having 0 issues. Go. Go, go, go. I almost want to have a shortcut on this at this point for this. I'm good shortcut. I did it somewhere. Just don't remember where. I did it on reload of shaders. Oh, right here. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Can I do this? No, not quite like that. I guess that doesn't work on this. Hmm. Okay. Excuse me. Clip 2. Clip. Oh. Oh, that is bad. Oh, that is bad. Excuse me. Clip from, but doesn't have an and. Why does it not have an and? Clip human. It will be the double aim efforts and the full release. Talking about anti-aliasing. If you mean anti-aliasing, I already have. I use FXAA, fast approximate anti-aliasing. That's what I have right now. I don't remember. Do I have a way? At one point, I think I had it something you can toggle dynamically on off. I don't remember if I ever got it to work fully. Looks like I didn't. Not for this anyway. But to be honest, at 4K, it's not as big of a deal. I'm actually curious. I thought I had this and you can just skip it. So weird. If I say pass. Going out to swap chain image. Maybe this guy. What does this guy do? I thought that this just. No, it just. Interesting. Interesting. I guess it makes. Oh, here, right. Will not use multi-sampling AA. Yeah, I used to use a multi-sampling thing, but the thing is, that thing is kind of expensive. You need to create a whole bunch of extra images and buffers for all that stuff. It's not exact. I didn't like it. Actually, it was more. The main reason is ran too slowly in integrated GPUs because all that extra buffers and merging. You even need to have multiple depth buffers and all that stuff. She's like, dude, what the hell for? Fast approximate seems to be just fine and fast enough that I don't need to do all those extra copies. Plus, this works better with my ray tracing. Dude, why does she say hello sometimes with kicking chests? Don't understand.
Okay. Okay.
Why? Whatever. Actually, I was curious because if this is RAM swap chain image, because if not, it should just go there fine. The ad should be fine, but it's not. But it's not. Oh wait, this is for non-ray tracing. For ray tracing, yeah, I do the same thing. Interesting. I do the same thing here. Most interesting. What CPU do I have? The best desktop CPU from AMD. The best. No, it just doesn't. Interesting. Very interesting. Somehow this out thing is just not doing it. Does it integrate? Does it have integrated GPU? Yes, it does. Yes, it does. I used to have a ton of images. Look, at some point I had even the screen space ambient occlusion, which has very expensive on buffers. And a bunch of extra data per pixel. Last time I ran it, actually ran pretty good. Such as Force GPU. Force integrated GPU. Go. They should now start up on AMD graphics. Should get like 20-ish frames at 4K. But at 1K it actually runs quite well. Except it doesn't wanna... Why do you not wanna... I'm missing something to scale the windows, huh? Okay, yeah, well, this is not running much slower because this is running on the integrated graphics now. At poor 30 frames. Go. Back to real one. Yeah, what to do about chests? Sometimes these chests actually block the robots. Oh, no, actually, no, he just changed his mind. He can go there just fine. Never mind. Oh. Don't look my way, don't look my way, don't look my way. Okay. They use basic forward rendering. No, not really. The thing is, my regular... This is more like the old school G-buffer rendering. It's barely... I've barely done anything on this render. Barely anything at all. So this one really doesn't do much. Just G-buffer and some basic stuff. Nothing fancy. And ray tracing is very different anyway, so it doesn't... I don't do that much stuff. Yeah, you can call it that. I mean, it just really is so simple. It doesn't even particularly fall into those categories. I just computed once as a whole thing in one shader. Without even doing passes, but that pathline is really primarily there so you can run fast on even integrated graphics. Because it would be very easy, Subzornik. What light calling do you style cluster? I don't do any calling at all. I don't do any lights, actually. I literally have no lights. Aside from directional light, I ain't got anything. I don't even bother anything to do. Plus, this is a ray trace anyway, so I just do directional ray to see if I'm hitting the sky or not. But maybe one day I'll add a bunch of little lights for different things. Then maybe. CSM. I'm not sure what. Like, literally just don't have lights. I only have directional light. That's it. That is it. Like, I don't have any spotlights, none of that. I just haven't bothered. Cascade shadow mapping. Well, that's for non-ray tracing path. Non-ray tracing path, yeah. I haven't done cascading, to be honest. I just have one. So like that's where resolution is extremely low, just to make it work. I haven't bothered going through that. But one day. That bug. I was thinking on and off for a few months to implement cascading shadow paths, but the thing is my main rendering path is actually ray traced. And drawing shadows of ray tracing is so much simpler and easy, even faster. Like all this is pixel perfect ray trace shadows. Just absolutely pixel perfect. Do you think it allows for procedural maps? Could be. I mean, yeah, there's plenty of reasons to add lights for different ways for like different attack particles, whatnot. Like laser could have lights, which it doesn't have right now. Maybe.
Yeah, okay.
What was I doing? Oh yeah, I'm getting hit. Let's listen to that. Damage zone, robot hit, save. Robot hit. Oh, this was bugged out for doing this part. Okay. Why do I lose the clip data? Bruh. What's happening to it? Clip from. Doesn't have clip to. Why? Dude. Add member. From to. That is a single sound. Excuse me. Hey, New World Dandy. It's a funny name. At one point, I used to work on New World. I don't think I would call myself a New World Olex. It'd be pretty funny though. Let's see. New World credits. Rip New World indeed. But I saw it coming. I saw it coming. Credits. That's interesting. Did they prune it? Oh, this interesting. Oh, they gave me my full name. Okay. Additional support. Fine. Fair enough. Still there is my official name. Fair enough. Fair enough. Fair enough. Oh, we do have one more credit. Civilization 5 credits. Credits. I think this one will show up even faster. No. No. It has to be 6. Always forget about that stuff. Yeah. Boom. Additional gameplay engineer. I think those are the 2 games I really have credits for. Everything else I've been doing a bunch of game engine work and non-gaming work. That's all that is. Anyway, clip from... Why is it not being saved? Clip from clip 2 works for others, but not for here. Why? The blob. I mean, I know it works here. Ferrari of a rate of 10. What's up, D1? What were you doing on your stream? Let's see. D1 Ferrari. Ain't that something? D1 Ferrari. An artist. Let's see. Thanks for raid, man. Thanks for raid. Research for a future game, yeah. I used to prototype this game in a couple different engines between open source to Unreal, but it's just not my path. Bro, it's only this one. It doesn't save clip 2. That's suspicious. Very suspicious. I'm gonna have to... NoEngine Custom OS. Custom OS something else. Sure. Take care, man. Sounds like European time zone. I'll try to stream more, or for more. I'll stream early in the day, because this is getting kind of late for me as well. Just took a break a bit from streaming. Should be back into regular schedule. Anyway, let's focus. This is audio number 8, so let's put a breakpoint. I want to see what the hell's going on in here. Okay. Go save. 8. Fine. 8 it is. Boss effects. Okay. 2. 1, 2, 2, 1. 2, 1, 8. 2, 1, 2. Oh, because it's such a tiny sound. This precision was off. Okay, now I got it. Okay. Minor little gotcha. Reload to make sure that looks good. Okay. Mr. Robot has it. Has it.
Okay.
Okay.
Hello.
All right, that is getting annoying. Why does she say hello in those cases? Oh, that thing. Fine, whatever. Whatever. Just shove that in there. Fun fact, do you know that a lot of WAV files would contain a whole bunch of crap? Just a lot of crap. Sometimes it would like triple the size of the WAV file if you don't keep an eye on that thing. Which is why I use FmpEg to clean that nasty stuff out. I don't even remember which. I think metadata -1 is probably what clears out the metadata, which can be quite big sometimes.
Hi.
Why does she say hi? In queue, excuse me? Excuse me? Why would that be there? Okay. Got the event. Wait. Oh, it thinks that she's speaking. Oh. Oh, okay, that's...
Okay.
There should be a kick. So why? So many components.
Yeah.
Oh, it's played on the voice. I hear it's kicks, that's fine.
Yeah. Hello. Yeah. Hello.
Double plays it. Wow. Wow. Sometimes these bugs.
Hi.
Should say hi.
Yeah.
That sounds like a very suspicious bug. Kind of worried. Kind of worried.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Come on, whatever.
Hello. Hello.
Keep it super muted.
Yeah.
I think I got a sound for breaking the door. What is all that back in? I had it somewhere. Actually, do I have it sounds already? I could hop back to this. Yeah, I don't have it. I don't think. Well, I do this. Okay. Like, look at this file. WAV file, 500 meg, 500 kilobytes, half a meg. Enough to clean it up. Oh, yeah, went down in size by like 10 times. Down to a 10th. This guy. Right, easy. And a funny thing, the only reason I know about that is because I was writing manually reading the WAV file data. And as part of that, I discovered all the little packages that can have inside. Dude, one of the WAV files I had an embedded version of MP3 of itself as part of the metadata. Like literally had embedded a different, same audio effect, but it's in a different format. It's like, dude, ain't nobody needs that crap. Okay, this thing, doors open, close, good. They're opens, yes. Close this. Close this. Seems reasonable. I'll clip it in the game. Maybe one day I'll think about adding lights and then do the whole thing after that. Who puts MP3 inside a WAV file? Dude, I don't know. But this package thing, I bought a whole bunch of audio effects. I think what happens at some applications, they like to put a ton of stuff into metadata. Maybe it's also used as part of to keep like the original file in there or something. I'm not sure. Whichever it is. That's been pruned out. Which actually is a big improvement because I load all that thing in memory right now. So, dude, like this right here, we can see efficiency at 99%. That used to be like at 60%. Well, the actual sound data was maybe like half of the whole payload. It was real bad. Real bad. But anyway, let's see. Door closes. I mean, I guess it's okay. It's okay. Seems reasonable. This guy is no longer necessary. The door. Welcome to the world chunks. Everything is a tiny chunk. Let me see who has the audio thing. This guy. Opens, closes. Okay. Not enabled. All right. That was a quickie. A nice quickie. Door sounds. I might as well do it also for these doors. These doors. Although that thing might be buggy as all hell now. I need to do another pass on equality here. Yeah. Opens, closes. Yeah, this whole thing is kind of broken. I don't feel like fixing that right now. Maybe. It's always a choice. A bunch of gameplay features, gameplay minor addition improvements, or some bigger baseline stuff, such as animation editor. So I could work on footsteps. Oh. The only problem is that these guys really suck at showing that they're aware. Like this guy beams really hard. You can't really miss it. But these guys, like the red just doesn't pop. It just doesn't pop. I wonder if it'll pop if I make them eyes white. There's a chance. Maybe. Oh, why did I name everything so bad? Guys of sword. I need to rename this whole thing. This guy. Really don't need all that. I just need to color this to different assignment. Could do this as a quick thing. Unfortunately, no hot reload for animation stuff and mesh stuff. Okay. Need that stronger bloom. Strong bloom. Go sword guy. No. I left, I right. So radiance. Just doesn't pop. Just doesn't pop. Maybe make it as a 4. So I can control that separately. But anyway, 3 is pretty good actually. And this guy, maybe just yellow pops better. Yeah, this is 2.2 something AO. And this is way up to 3. And it still doesn't pop. Maybe the eyes are too small. This one multiplies it pretty hard. I guess it does, it just doesn't stand out because everything else is already white. I think I support that, right? As usually, allow up to 4 different color indices per mesh. So now I have that. I should be able to say... Oh, did I not set it for the LVI? Interesting. Mr. D the follow. Indeed. Indeed. Things are good. Things are good. Did I not set that? Oh, I didn't. Okay. Okay. Fair enough. Fair enough. Okay. Things seems good. Export that. All right, show me your eyes. Show me your eyes. I guess it has a little bit of pop. Maybe. Maybe. Oh, yes. Kinda. Hmm. And is yellow maybe better as like an maybe that's smarter to do it that way. Maybe. That way every robot that sees you, the eyes are yellow. Like that, yeah. Hey, get that block out of my face. I really wanted to play the sound and begin hit every time. I need some kind of state machine on that. Yeah. And this is happening or not? Oh, this is so lame. So lame. Unchanged, huh? Do that again. I hate the sound, to be honest, but fine. I'll do sound creation day another time. Oh, somebody spotted me. No, just too much of a ping sound. Look for something better. This was almost funny. It's too long. That's the one. Maybe I can just clip something better. Which part is doing that? Just in general is kind of high here. I just commodify this. This is one of the small paints. Is what? Bro. Oh, this is large, medium, small. All paint, there you go. That last one was actually pretty good. No, it's... Is there room for me to focus just on that? Set blue points. What do we got in here? Huh? Which one is that annoying sound? This one. Okay. Okay. Huh. Interesting. Enrage basic. Huh. Alright, fine. I don't understand why this is not getting enabled. I wonder if... Can I just like select and create a new project out of just that? It'd be so nice. Copy. No, only one will. Okay, whatever. Okay. Well, I can't copy the whole planet. Copy the whole planet. That explains some stuff. Hmm. Quick little render. Let's go for 8,000, because that's what I do. Mono. Oh, this is where you write a bunch of extra chunks and crap. I see where it's coming from. Did I cut it? Okay. Oh, but here sounds fine. I guess I'm just gonna have to. Oh, this one. Very suspicious. It sounds the same either way. Let's see. Boom, boom, boom. Ooh. What is this? Man, all that looks wrong though. Here because of this. There you go. Oh no, that sounds pretty good. Maybe I'm inspired to do some audio. Maybe I can do a little quick reverb effect. Hairstyle, hell yes. Hails to the yes.
Okay. Hello. Hello. Okay. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Oh yeah, the swing, the sound of a swing for this robot. This bloom effect, different strength based on the source color. Seems like red is less powerful than yellow. Is it because of the wavelength thing? Might be. It might be. Did I hear something there or not?
Hi.
Now I know I had a sound for the door break. Let's find it. Nice be this. Yeah. Chairs breaking. Oh yeah, I guess I don't have this right now.
Hi.
Okay. It's gonna get added to. Boom, boom, boom. Clean it up. Okay. I should fly. Okay. Probably okay. Sure.
Yeah.
Now to assign it. Don't tell me I have it per object. Sound effect on removal. Oh, this is why that sound was playing. Ugh. Ugh. No wonder. No wonder. Should really just be in one place, to be honest. To be honest.
Yeah. Yeah.
Kickers. I don't like the vibration. Does that only hit? Maybe. Maybe. But that shutdown sounds good. That one sounds good. Okay, next up is door. Next up is door.
Yeah.
Okay. Easy enough. Okay. Now it's probably to mute it. Okay, got this set it. Alright, I need a quick chess break. And then think what to work on next. But I just get the pawn. I mean, this is what happens when I drop down to 2100. It's playing a bunch of noobs. A bunch of utter noobs. I don't want to play that, but I don't think I can. I'm guessing he wants to play that, so... Don't let me play this move, buddy boy. Oh, that's a bad idea. A bad idea, buddy. I don't see any threats. Squash this guy nice and fast. This looks good. Yep. 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 You know, that sound that they make is too... It's too quiet. Hmm. Hmm. Where does this guy go? We're just chilling. Oh, mind. No mind, it's just chilling. There's some animation bug in there. There's one frame of bad animation. Hmm. Hmm. I wish there was a good way to make them turn in place without just gliding around like that. That would be great. Hmm. Not sure how to handle it though. Oh. Yeah. Hmm. Use max channel sort of luminance for the bright pass. What do? I think I just save the color as this. Channel bloom scaling. That might be interesting. Okay, I'll keep it yellow for now. Oh yeah, stepping on the Roomba. Mr. Roomba again squashed. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Whoops. So we have a way to assign a shortcut to a checkbox. Probably not. Probably not. I'll see. Okay. Okay, Rumbus, come here. Come here, Rumbus. Scared of robots. Excellent. Excellent. Oh yeah, the oops thing. That's right. She used to say oops when stepping on that. Hearing oops or something. There's oops, oops, sorry, and something else. Sorry. Okay. Right. Right, right. Oh, do I even support clipping in that case? It must be, right? Yeah.
Oops, sorry. Oops, sorry.
Yeah.
Oops. Oops.
Oopsie indeed. No, if I remember, when did I say oops? When did I say oops? Hmm. Rumbus, Rumbus. Delay audio event check. Oh, it's an event of that type. Okay. Can you do that? I can do that. Again. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Bro, how many bugs? Okay. Yeah, she ain't saying nothing. She's not saying anything. Roomba sitting in queue. Why? Ah, player's voice. Still thinks it's playing. Why? It's up to us. Been a while. Been a while. This crap should not be saying it's playing anymore, dude. I just need to fix that. Where I break a chest. It's fine. Let's see. Currently playing here. How's the game going? Going slowly but going. Ah, yes. See, if someone is -1, at the very least, that done. Good. Oh, let's see. Step Roomba.
Sorry. Hello. Oops, sorry. Oops.
Indeed, indeed. Playing Oxygen included. Oh, that's good. It's a good game, man. That is a good game. Look at the 1,000 hours of dev time. But the Oxygen did play for 200 hours. So it's not too much. But definitely played a good amount. A good amount, but look at that 1,004 hours. Boom. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, that's good. Or Roombas. Which means now I'll need to make my own localization. 1,000 hours in playtest. Yep. This is actually a playtest, not the main game. So yeah, racking up hours in this dev time. Because anytime I launch the game, it automatically goes to Steam. So anytime I sit in debugger or just do something here, this all counts. Because Steam is already integrated since a year ago, so definitely integrated last year. So that's what keeps track of dev times. Kind of cute. Kind of cute. It's really close to being my most played game at this point. Really close. I think I had a game of like 1100 hours or something. Let me see. Let's see. Profile. All games. Yes. Oh yeah. Only 130 hours to go. And my playtest will be number one. Number one. Beating out many other games. Oxygen is like top 10. Top 10. He'll play 560 hours? I don't remember doing that. Must have. Oh yeah, it's been like 10 years since I played that. Interesting. Interesting. Whatever. But soon, in a matter of a month or so. No problem.
Yeah.
Okay. Things are good. Things are good. Excuse me? What the hell was that sound? How did that happen? Door closes. Oh, some of these say the ID and not the name. Sound effect and removal. Let's go. Because that's going to be a problem. Right. Yeah. No. No. Sound reference. Might break a bunch of things. In fact, it will. It definitely will. Well, maybe.
Yeah.
Okay, I think chest also got moved. Yes. I have to think of a system to sign that in one place. Right, yeah. Okay. Where am robots at? So one guy hiding somewhere. Oh, maybe those original ones you can clean up. Yep. Right, right. Wait, it saves an ID? I don't want to save an ID. I want to save the name. Let's go looky look. Prefabs 19. Good. 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 Good.
Yeah. Hi. Hello. Okay. Okay. Hi.
Come here, Roomba.
Oops.
Hey, Roomba, good thing I'm fixing this now rather than later.
Sorry. Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
I'm actually curious, how bad does it sound if go type okay, 10 of them, let's see. We'll travel. We'll clean it up. Okay. Medium 8. It's too high pitched. I'll take one of these to differentiate. Let's take a look at this. 1.3 megabytes, and after... Where is this? Go. Down to 170 kilobytes instead. Okay. Oop. Good. So now this dude can have a different sound. Wait, I should have done... Just do counts. But I thought specific... Oh, it needs a count? No, that's lame. That is lame. I should have just assumed one. Should just assume one. Specific default value of 1. There you go. Hey, Kudon. What's cracking? Okay, that guy's a bit too long. Oh, I had a question for AI. Nope. I guess. Dice 2. Maybe shorter. Maybe a little bit more. Something like that. Sure. 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 Is this not red? Oh, it's red and black.
Oops.
Yeah. Okay. Sounds decent enough.
Oops, sorry.
How we doing on the output? Build bug. Sounds 2.4 megs. Nothing. It's nothing. Pum 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 pum. Okay. Okay. I can just about get rid of almost everything here. That's a third party. Just about. Just about. Bro. Oh, there's some bug. How did that happen? How did that happen? Okay. Makes sense. Everything is locked. White out. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, I just didn't define this area. Okay. Makes sense. Makes sense. Yeah, zone 2 is not defined. Hmm. Yeah, I think that works. I think. I don't want no too much. Yeah. Yeah, any laser sound effect to it? Why does it not have sound effect on the laser? But this might be something I'll do tomorrow. Right now it's late enough. It's time to just raid on Twitch. And that's that. Alright, let's see. Who's available? Oh, it's Saturday? It's not a Sunday yet. Anybody on that I know? Voligo. Yeah, let's go that. All right, take care, y'all. See you tomorrow. 3, 2, 1.